Myntri Rangbah kejela hagakat tarik unaitung arhajar arpawar ula pelat ba ya ke skhim MGNREGA kabala mang ban pentrai haki Shnong kitau ki bahap apo ke Census town jong kejela Meghalaya bat ul ai kublai ru ya ke sokar pedeng kabala penyare ke jumentoy jong ke skhim MGNREGA shaki Shnong ki bam desu ki jaka nong kendong. Haka jialang kebelalong haka katlai tarik menta unaitung arhajar arpawar Myntri Rangbah kejela ukanrat kisangma ulapan benapat ba banang ni syakmat en pentrai kamno ya ke skhim Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act ni MGNREGA haki Shnong ki bahap apo kekerdan Census town. Hakane ke jialang hakane ke sngi nalor Myntri Rangbah kumukongsan leadon langru Myntri Sorkar bakmi ikatanat Community and Rural Development CNRD jong kejela uba Hamlet Son Doling Principal Secretary ikatanat CNRD Usampat Kumar bat kibede ki officer Sorkar. Kajingweng no ya ke kendon bagi Shnong ki bahap apo ke Census town kin omyo bentai ke skhim MGNREGA kadai hadin baka Ministry of Rural Development jong ke sokar pedeng kalaweng no ya ke ni ke kendon.
Isukumena baniyo dapat pi bardo ban ucilsta jungi unla ban launch no ya di program kerang ba pi Shnong ba habapo ke Census town ba menshwa Pemjua penterkam yak MG scheme by mental pre pesio penterkam lo yak gereka MGNREGA. Di kene kelong kaba sultanat nakliang jongi baru sebenarnya cukup baik kaba kerpang nam tau cimusar kapre ke babon ba kije kendo bat ke ministry ngim shimla yo yak juba. Man kapor beli Delhi nakliang tau cimusar nakliang jonga yak kendo yak official juk ministry ban bodin be lor kene mental. Namar ni sutu Najwa balik kendan buan bagi nomi khmat ki om nilai ku bagi na arapan from your scheme na po rural from your scheme ki buan kisong kisa kimyo ya ki dibal pair ngimla machuskap ngimla machong kom tu jana kadau ni haban trace bat ya kam kajogi bak kajin pasang jogi kam Shnong ke bale dei hakaban yang jong minister lo thok sti personally sanga berpa ba nila berbeteng ya kini ke scheme berperga mapo kini Shnong ki bahapa po ke Census town. Di kene kelong ke ba so mane ba kalong ru ke ba so yo semua de jom tuan jom pi ki Shnong ba boros kata penjuo ini scheme rimenta kumlong mane prio sebon ba ki development apa Shnong jom pi ba ki scheme ba sabuer kolong ba ki nong shok Shnong ru ki nyo ru ik jom toy lengba ke de scheme.
So you were neither here or neither there. And that was a great disadvantage because we were not able to get the kind of development programs and schemes that other sections of society and other areas were receiving. And therefore, this simple clarification which was given by the Government of India, which simply says that MGNREGS is applicable to for rural areas only. And to the extent the census towns have not been notified as urban area or as cantonment area, hence the MGNREGS can operate in these census towns. It was just a simple line, but this has now changed the entire dynamics of how MGNREGA will be implemented in the census towns. And I'm very happy, and I must say I'm satisfied to see today. I'm also happy to tell you that this entire issue of JJM also has been something that we have been looking at. And similar challenges were there that census towns were not included. I'm happy to inform you that we have initiated the steps. The necessary documentation and necessary meetings, necessary policy changes have been made at the state level. We have already proposed, we have already sent the details to Government of India. I have spoken to the Honorable Minister, Jal Shakti, Shri Gajendra Shekhawat ji, and he has in principle told me that census towns will be included, and therefore we expect that census towns will very, very soon be able to get the benefit of JJM scheme also.